Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be showing you guys what I got from when we were in Nassau, Bahamas. So just a little story background. We were at the Bahamas last week, and actually this week, last week. So when my husband and I were just like strolling down on the main street, you know, because it was early. We got there around like maybe like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. I'm not quite sure of the time, but like I said, we were strolling down, and then I saw like the Gucci store, and then they have a more luxury store, and it's like I was planning to buy stuff at Gucci store, but they were closed because it was a Sunday, and I think they open until they just open until 10 a.m. but like I said, we were there very early, so I'm just like, oh, that's kind of like a bummer. So my husband and I decided to just like walk around the streets, and it was our second time at Bahamas. The first time was we were actually at the Atlantis, so we didn't really get you know, we didn't really walk around the main street, because last 2017 we were at the Atlantis in the other side. So now 2020 we were, you know, walking. Our plan was, you know, just go shopping, and then after shopping go back to our boat and, you know, like go to the beach. That was, you know, that was our main plan. So we were shopping for a souvenirs. He was getting like my mom like a shirt, and I was, you know, shopping for my friends as well. So I was vlogging, and then I saw the Christian Dior bag, like it's just in the screen. I'm just like, I was like, wait, I thought it was real, and I thought it was the Christian Dior store, like the actual store, but then it was a souvenir store slash they sell like fake luxury bags. Now, just okay, I am not telling you guys to buy fake goods, because I know that's, I think if you're selling fake, it's illegal, but I don't know how the store managed to, you know, get away with it. I'm not sure, but anyways, you're here for the video because of the bag. But I told my husband, like, babe, I actually want to buy one of those bags. Mind you, they have a lot, more likely a lot of Louis Vuitton bags, like replicas, a lot of monogram LV bags. They also have Fendi, they also have Prada, they have, what else, they have Gucci, they have MCM, they have Michael Kors, they have everything you can think of. They have everything over there. We were in the first, okay, when I walked, the store was like more of like a souvenir, like hats. I'm like, I was, you know, trying hats because I want to buy hats, like, you know, like beach hats. And I was buying like I was trying to see if I can buy like a, you know, like the thing you put it in your fridge. So I was there, you know, like just looking around, but they cost like $7.99. I'm just like, oh, it's too expensive. But then I saw like the Christian Dior bag, and I was asking like, do you guys sell this here? I thought it was just a like a, how do you call this, like a display. So I'm just like, yeah, we have actually at the back if you want to see. I'm just like, okay, just say less. So we went to the back, and I was holding my camera, and she was looking at my camera actually, and then I can just like turn it off because she said she might not want me to do, like, you know, film it. So I'm just like, you know, kind of respect that. So I turned off my camera, and after that, I went back. I was like, holy crap, it was a lot. I mean, a lot. It was like the big room full of like just replica. So I'm just like, oh wow. So I found the Louis Vuitton like this. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing, then watch it later after this. So I saw this, I saw like the key card holder, like I saw like a men's card holder, just everything. Like it feels and looks like I'm in the Louis Vuitton store. And my husband was like, do you really want to buy? He was like, he was telling me not to buy because it was fake. My husband was like, babe, you can buy the original one, why are you buying this? I told him it was sold out. So anyways, if you wanna know what bag I got, the Christian, they even have the dust bag. I wasn't expecting this. Dust bag is the Christian Dior bag right here. So Now I'm just realizing, why did I not listen to my husband? So this is the Christian Dior bag. I think it's a tote bag, and the original price, let me just look it up before I even start telling you guys the wrong. Okay, so the original price for the Christian Dior is $2,750, and it's been out of stock. I keep looking at it, it's been out of stock. Like, I really want this so bad, but it's been out of stock. And this is the blue Dior oblique embroidered Dior book tote. It's actually a book tote, so I really like it, so you guys can see. And you can tell that this is so fake, because even in the handles it just says Christian Dior. And because I haven't really seen this like in actual you know, store, or like an actual piece, so I can't really tell the difference. But the embroidered, like the print, it will go all the way here, but they stop from here and they just put Christian Dior. So this is the, I think this cost me $70, I think, with no tax. I remember I just paid $70, I believe. I'm not sure, I don't have the receipt. If I found the receipt, I will like update you guys in the comment section or in the description box below. But this is the Christian Dior tote oblique bag, and it's, I don't know, I don't know why I purchased this. Maybe just for fun, but I think I'm just planning to give this to my family. If you guys, if you want this, let me know. I'll just give it to you. Maybe one of my sister Trisha. Try not to be like a, you know, diaper bag for baby, because she has a son. And okay, so this is what they look like. The zipper. Okay, let me just take the zipper out. Okay. So inside it's red. So this is the inside, it's red, and it actually says here Christian Dior Paris, made in Italy. Okay. So this is the bag. So it does actually feel really, you know, fake. What you see is what you get. For $70, this is what I get. But anyways, just for fun, I can actually probably, you know, put more stuff in here. Like if summertime comes, like if we want to go to the beach, maybe I can use this for like beach bag, you know, and put like my towels in here, like my swimsuit or stuff. I can probably do that. And it's actually big, because I was using my Tory Burch tote bag. It's supposed to be my work bag, but I don't have a bigger bag than my Tory Burch. And I think because I really want this one in original, and it's been just sold out online. And my husband told me, like, babe, we're planning to buy a house right now, so just kind of like ease out. And he doesn't really want me to buy the fake ones, you know, anyways. But and it's like, no, I just want to, you know, buy it for, you know, like for fun. Or maybe like I said, I'll give it to my sister. But this is the back. I've seen a lot of YouTubers, they kind of like put their name here, and I think you can do that for customize it. Like you can put your name in the back if you're buying it the original. So that's the back. I don't know if you guys see. Okay, and this is the side. Right there. And the handles, you can see the handles right there. Okay, that's the handles, and then the back. So I think, yeah, I think that's that. And I don't know, like, to be honest with you, I'd rather, I mean, you get what you paid for this type of bag. I'd rather buy original one and second-hand one rather than the fake ones. But anyways, this, like I said, this is for fun. And I think I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna try to use, out of my $70 that I purchased this bag, I think I'm just gonna use this for maybe like work bag, or, you know, switch my Tory Burch bag, or for my, if I go out somewhere, or maybe just give this to my sister if she wants it. But if not, I'll probably just leave it as is in here in the house sitting and waste my $70. But anyway, that's the bag, you guys. I only ending up buying this one because I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to waste my money buying fake goods. I'd rather use that money buying on, you know, like the real one. But anyways, that's it for the video, and hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.